Good morning, guys. Kind of running a little bit late, you know? Alright, I'll give them some more food. They definitely need it. But anyways, good morning. How are you guys doing? It's 9 o'clock. Got home at around like 8:30ish. And it feels like it's raining. And I'm wearing a t-shirt. It's not cold out. Hopefully it doesn't pour. I feel like a mist. It's like a misty rain. Yeah. That doesn't sound good. It doesn't. Well, it's like a misty rain. That's what it is. I'll be. Oh, sorry. There we go. That tall enough? Yes. Alright. Let's feed the little man in them. Yeah, we're getting pretty low on the spices. I'll have to take this up today. Alright. Yep, starting to rain. I feel it. Quite not raining yet, but I feel sprinkles. Hopefully it doesn't pour. Can you imagine if it pours and I'm walking with the camera and the food, feeding the chickens out in the rain? Well, it wouldn't be the first time. I am tired, but we're almost up here. We're gonna feed all the chickens today. I don't think we have to water them, but we'll see about that. Alright, we're here. Whoa. Alright. Let's go let out these heathens. What is it? Hover! Falky! Falky girl! Look at her. Oh, she pooped. Alright. Let's head down. Oh, you're fine, little man. Calm down. You thought I was coming up to him to steal his food. Whoa! Arm knocked the camera. He thought I was coming to take his food. Yeah, it's like a mist. I don't think it's not rain, no, but it's like a mist. I don't know if you guys can see it on my glasses, but there's like little drops of water on my glasses. Drops. Alright, let's let Hank and them out. They One. Two. And just a little bit. And some spices. You okay over there? No. Let's throw that up. Painting them. I'll be over there in a second. Do the chits last. Little man, or not little man, but Hank and them are locked up in the coop. Stand you guys up. There you go. Woo! Any needs today? No aids today. They are definitely trying to focus on molting. I'm gonna start wetting their food. Yeah, so they can eat it better. Yeah, that's what I'll do with them tomorrow. I'll wet their food. Just mist it with some water. Because we're going to be going into the freezer here, I believe in a couple of weeks. So, alright, let's feed the chits. We'll get everyone watered. Because the ladies in there painting them need to be watered. Well, the inside of their pen needs to be watered. Yeah. One. Two. Three. Alright, let's go feed the chicks. They are going insane over here. sit you guys right here.
Two that always wait for me. Ah, I hear you. Ow. Get back in there. Ow. I bumped my head. Oh. Their water's definitely need to be filled and cleaned. There you go. It's small fry. It's alright. Y'all okay? There you go. Oh, you're fine, you're fine. Calm down. We'll have to throw some shavings in there. Try to move. Alright. Everyone's fed.
What a bait his brother is. So check on Jimbo real quick. Ow. I bumped my head. I don't know where I bumped it at though. But yeah, hurt. Doesn't hurt no more, but yeah, I see his head. I see his big old head. Oh, he looks good. I don't know if you guys can see him. Oh, he's right there. Sorry. Alright, let's turn on the water. First, let's go over here. And close this. Grab the jug. We'll set the jug over here because it's practically full. And then on our way down through, we can pick it up. Alright. Plan ahead. Right? Right. Thought I heard something over in the leaves over there. I don't see anything. We're almost at the top of the hill. I know it's taking a minute. But anyways, comment down below what kind of animals you guys have. Can't talk. What kind of animals do you guys have on your guys' homestead? So far we only got chickens. But we're going to be getting cows. Now we were getting pigs. So yeah, that's what we're going to be having on this homestead over here. We want a lot of things, but anyways, let's cleaning these bowls. Look at them, they're dirty. Dirty bowls. Alright, got the bowls cleaned. Let's put them in the house. In there. Oh, if you guys hear that little tongue. I don't know what that is. Guys, I'm sorry. Oh, door wouldn't close there for a second. Oh my gosh, I didn't even record myself. That's alright. Yeah, I didn't miss much. Let's fill up their waters. There. Their water's filled. Alright. Let's the water hankton then. Their outside water to be filled. Water to be filled. And then their inside water. Yeah, see, look. They see me tumbling with the jug. Oh, the ladies, man, the ladies. Ugh. Nope. Oh, hey there, hanky boy. Alright, let's... I didn't flip the camera. There you go. Alright, let's grab their inside water. Let's fill up their inside water. It's kind of nasty. I'll take care of that real quick. Oh, I had rainy guys with me. I dumped it out. Just so you guys know. There you go. I got some fresh water in here. Look. Making her a spot to lay, I guess. Or she's finding bugs. It's actually pretty warm in this little pet coop. I don't know when we're going to start on this brooding part. But it'd be pretty cool if we started on it this weekend. Well, anyways, let's get out of here. Look at Hank. He is such a big guy. He's molting, that's for sure. Oh. No, I'm getting out. I'll leave you guys be. The barred rats are following me. Alright, he stopped. I forgot to flip the camera around and show you guys, but the two barred rats that were sitting at the edge right there. I'm sorry, I didn't know if I was pointing at them or not, but the two barred rats are in there. I think there's 3 in there. But there's 2 of them that were following me. Out the door. They didn't come out the door. They were following me to the door. I don't know if we have to do little man's. I think his was pretty much full. What else can we do? Oh, we're not driving the bucket. We got to drive the bucket. Is there a bucket? Is there a bucket? You're scratching my head. I'll find so. I don't know what I hit my head on. That's what I want to know. Oh, probably the wall of the thing. Let's drive the bucket. We gotta take the bucket back down. We could go check the pasture, see how that's looking. I don't think anything's changed. We'll also check that out. Let's see if the trees have changed. These haven't. Not yet, anyway. I have no idea what we're doing with. What we're gonna do with that. A little hoop house part. I have no idea. I'll have to check on my forehead when I go inside. Tractors aren't here. I think they left a while back. But oh my goodness, it is open. I need to look for the drone. That's what I need to do. So I get the drone and show you guys. That'd be so cool. Maybe I should do that. But look, it's open. It is like a misty rain still. It's not raining yet. So. Yeah. It's a misty rain. It's a bit misty out. Look how open it is. It may not seem that big on the camera and it's like this, but I'm telling you, it is huge. I should go find the drone. I think I will. It's in a box, I believe. But yeah, the trees haven't changed much. Although some of them have back there. These really haven't changed. They're starting to though. The big old pine tree. Looks like a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. A Charlie Brown Christmas tree. But let's pretty much clear it out. Now we're gonna be clearing out all these branches. All these branches and stuff. Yeah. So we're gonna be doing. And I think we should turn them into wood shavings. What do you guys think? Turn it into some mulch. Look at all these branches on the ground. It pulled out a lot of trees, that's for sure. That is definitely for sure. I didn't make it all the way back. That was like 3 minutes. It is huge. I don't know what we're gonna do with the fencing. Well, we have a clue on how to run it. But it's gonna be amazing having cows. We had 2 cows before. I don't know if I told you guys this, but we've had 2 cows. It was a few years back. Their names was Porterhouse and T-Bone. If I find the pictures of them, I'll post them on the video right here. But their name was Porterhouse and T-Bone. And yes, that's what they turned into. Was Porterhouses, T-Bones. They were our beef cattle. They are like one of the coolest animals, farm animals to raise. And probably the easiest. Well, not the easiest. Chickens are the easiest. Actually, no. Pigs are the easiest. You ain't gotta worry about them at all. You throw them whatever leftovers you have and they eat it. Pigs are the garbage disposal of the farm animal life thing. It's gonna, next year's gonna be something. We have a lot going on next year. So, stay tuned for that. We'll be having cows and pigs and stuff. Well, I don't know about pigs. I know we're getting cows. Little man's down here. I just heard him. Yeah, he's like right there. I think he's on the wheelbarrow where he was the other day. Hear him? That was Jim Bob and that's Jim Bob. And that's Jim Bob's brother. Oh, wait, no, that was Little Man and Jim Bob's brother. That's his brother. Let's see if he, caught him crowing. They both sound pretty good. They got the crowing down. That's for sure. Charlie's out. Let's go see Charlie and end the video. Charlie! It's Charlie! He wants to go inside. He's like, I'm waiting for you, Mark. I'm going in. There's old Brown. He's at the door. That's old Charlie. Is the old Charlie? Are you guys talking to me? Oh yeah. It's the old Charlie. It's the old Charlie. Alright. Let's try to make this video at least 35 minutes. But you know what? I'm getting tired. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's just feeding chickens, but you know, we'll have more stuff to do along the way. Just stay tuned, because we'll be building the fence next year, the pasture for the cows. And I believe we're going to be working on that this weekend. I believe so, if it doesn't rain. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. I didn't really care for the pet and stretch thing, so I stopped saying that. So, thank you guys for like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.